Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where I love to shop 24/7. Today I'm looking at fake nails at Five Below, and they have so many new ones that I wanted to share. Most of them are $5, but there are some that are $3. I think Five Below has a really good fake nail supply other than Claire's, but Claire's, they do have a lot that are for more for kids that are smaller, but these are for women, girls, kids, whoever. I've tried these nails before, and with the glue, they do last me about a week. I don't know if that's how long they're supposed to last, but I think a week is pretty good. So I just wanted to quickly share, subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.